Belgium, and yeah, let's see what's the new adventure. Country number 53. Another alpaca farm. A route with some dirt, but no, it's all paved. Even if I selected enduro mountain biking, it's nice. It's a quiet ride along the canal, through the villages, all on bike lanes, but kind of boring. It's okay, 60 kilometers to the first town, Antwerp, by force. So yeah, easy day from Breda to Antwerp, 60 kilometers. Maybe I'll do 65, not sure. I think Antwerp is the second biggest city in Belgium after Brussels. Buenos dias, back on the road, rumbo Brussels. Today I'm getting to Brussels, the capital of Belgium. It's been a short staying in Antwerp, short but nice. I'm 12 kilometers away from Brussels, and I found a little dirt. I'm not sure how long it's gonna be, but even if it's just a kilometer, it's kind of fun.
Own it, it's your moment. Unforgettable, this electric feel. Golden, this emotion. Baby, it's a high nobody can steal. Tonight we're gonna dance. Ooh, like you never seen before. Get crazy, make it move some more. Tonight we're gonna dance.
It feels a bit weird today in Belgium and in Brussels. It seems very, very quiet. For being a capital, for being a city, it seems too quiet. I don't know if it's a Monday. I don't know if Mondays are so quiet in Belgium. I'm leaving Brussels. So yeah, I'm leaving Brussels. For the people that follow closely on Instagram, I've been here a long time. I've been here more than a month. I stay with Dirk in his very tall apartment. And look at this location in Brussels at the 30th floor. My host has a wonderful apartment on top of Brussels. And yeah, very lucky, very grateful for the hospitality and the welcoming, very high. And then I stayed also with another couple from Warm Showers. And then I stayed with another host for a very long time because I also got COVID. Did you hear the good news? He's risen. This is our Easter lunch party. And after COVID, I had some problems with my sinus. I have a chronic sinusitis, but it started to bother me a lot after the COVID. My teeth would hurt. I would get headaches, and so I saw a doctor. I got some treatment, some spray, and some tablets, and also some antibiotics. But I waited for the antibiotics to see, and I avoided taking the antibiotics. Luckily, I still have somewhat. It's not 100%, but it's never been 100% my left sinus. So yeah, it's okay. And I had a good time in Brussels. I met very nice people as usual, and I was very lucky and grateful for everybody that helped me out here. And I was able to get the new tires. So I received a goodie bag, a goodie box from Der Fahrer-Doktor Hamburg. Remember the shop in Hamburg where I replaced my bearings for my bottom bracket, and they did it for free. And they reached out and they wanted to send something to help with my adventure, and they asked me if I needed some tires. They have a good contact with Schwalbe, and they sent 2 new tires. I needed only one, but they sent 2 Nobinic 2.8 inches tubeless, and some wet lube, and also they send 2 pads for my disc brakes, the Avid BB7. So thank you very much, really appreciate it. Okay, now it's time to replace those ones, and I'm gonna do it myself. And I don't have a compressor. I have the tube sealants. I bought some tube sealant. I'm gonna fit the tire, and then I'll figure it out how to properly seal the tires. I will probably go to a gas station or find someone with a compressor. I removed the first tire. I cleaned the wheel, the rim. It's time to fit the tires. I put back the valve, and I'm gonna pump a little bit the tire, and then I will put the sealant. So now with the use of this syringe, I'm gonna put 120 millimeters of sealant in each tire. The tires are fitted, the sealant is in place. I just need to go and walk to a gas station close by where there is a compressor, and just hope for the best. It's time to leave, and I'm going to Ghent in Belgium. So yeah, let's hit the road. These are the buildings of the European Union in Brussels. Brussels is quite green. There are several parks, and in a few of them, relatively close to the city center, you can do some loops with gravel bikes or mountain bikes in the parks. I mean, they're not huge, but it can be fun, I guess.
Continue straight on Sinclair Trail.
Another bit of dirt. It's not that wide. porca puttana. Comment tu t'appelles, mon ami?
Je m'appelle Mohamed, mais mes amis m'appellent Momo.
Mohamed, he stopped me on the road. I was cycling on the bike lane and he stopped me for a coffee. Very good, Mohamed. Thank you so much.
Bonne route, Inch'Allah, bonne route.
Inshallah. Look at this. I also scored a t-shirt. Thank you so much. What is
Balmain, Paris.
Thank you. It was pretty nice to get a nice coffee and also the cold iced tea. That was pretty nice. Pretty nice. Muslim people are usually the nicest, huh? Now about 40 kilometers from Ghent, not sure, maybe 50 kilometers from my house. I'm not sure exactly where they live in Ghent. Slow entry into Ghent. I was gonna have a look around, go to the city center, but it looks like it's gonna rain soon. So yeah, I don't feel like getting wet. I'm gonna go to my warm shower host and get situated for the night, I guess. Actually, I think this is pretty central. This is as central as it gets. I arrived to my destination, I think. Number 14. This is it.